Good day everyone. I'm John Reverend from BSED Math 1. I will be discussing about causes of whooping cough, symptoms and prevention. So what is whooping cough? Whooping cough or pertussis is a contagious infection of all the lungs and airways caused by the bacteria Bordetella pertussis. It spreads easily when an affected person coughs or sneezes, releasing tiny droplets into the air. Anyone can get whooping cough, but it is especially dangerous for infants and young children who may develop serious breathing problems. So, whooping cough, also called pertussis, is lung infection caused by bacteria. It spreads really easily when someone coughs or sneezes. Anyone can get it, but babies are the ones in the most danger because they can have trouble breathing. The illness usually starts like a common cold with symptoms such as runny nose, mild fever, sneezing, and light cough. After about 1 to 2 weeks, the cough becomes much worse. People experience severe coughing fits followed by high-pitched hope sound when breathing in. Some may vomit or feel every tired after coughing. Recovery can take a long time, and the cough may last for weeks or months. It is usually starts like a simple cold, runny nose, mild fever, and light cough, but after a week or two, the cough gets much worse. People have strong coughing fits, and after the day, make a hop sound when trying to breathe in. Some even vomit or feel very tired after coughing. Preventing of whooping cough is treated with antibiotics, which help stop the infection and prevent it from spreading. Patients should drink plenty of fluids and avoid irritants like smoke. Babies with serious symptoms may need hospital care to help them breathe. The best way to prevent whooping cough is through vaccination. Children receive the DTaP vaccine, and older kids and adults get the Tdap booster. Pregnant women are also encouraged to get vaccinated to protect their newborns. Good hygiene, such as covering cups and washing hands, also help prevent infection. So to treat it, doctors give antibiotics to stop the infection and keep it from spreading. People with whooping cough need rest, plenty of water, and should avoid smoke. The best protection is still vaccination. Kids get DTaP or DTaP, and older kids and adults get Tdap. Pregnant women are also advised to get the vaccination to protect their newborn babies. In summary, whooping cough is a serious but prevented disease. Knowing the symptoms and getting vaccinated are the most effective ways to keep families and communities safe. In short, whooping cough is serious, but we can prevent it. Vaccination and good hygiene help keep everyone safe, especially infants, and someone get its early treatment makes a big difference.